This was not just another weekend, not a checklist trip, not a touristy escape. It was a family road trip from Delhi to Sattal. One of those journeys जो जिंदगी भर साथ रहेगी. 3 cars, one big family. दादा दादी, नाना नानी, मम्मी पापा, बच्चे, cousins, सब एक साथ एक convoy में. We left a little late, but the excitement. We took a quick break on the way. Paranthe, pakode, hot tea and coffee, and yes, the mandatory photo session.
This is the last stop before the hills will start. We're still in the plains. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, cheers.
Inside the cars, it was chaos in the best way. Music चालू था, अंताक्षरी भी, और jokes, सब कुछ non-stop. Because when you are on the road with family, every mile, every kilometer becomes a memory. As we left the plains behind, the roads began to change. Just before the hills began, we crossed a forest stretch, a road known to be visited by wild elephants. It reminded us we were guests here, in nature's quite powerful world. Soon the hills welcomed us, winding roads, tall trees, और हवा में एक नई सी ठंडक, something you never feel in the city. We reached YMCA Camp Sattal late at night, a peaceful retreat by the lake, surrounded by forest. Time seemed to slow down the moment we arrived. And then the rain surprised us, uninvited, yes, but strangely welcome. Plans changed, but our spirits didn't. We huddled under one roof, singing old songs, laughing louder than the rain outside. When the weather finally opened up, everything shimmered. The lake, the forest, even us. The Sattal lake was perfectly still, a mirror of the sky, broken only by the dragonflies. We stepped out to explore, inviting forest trails, the gentle hikes, just long enough to breathe deep and let go. Muddy shoes, open sky, happy faces. Across the lake, on the hilly slope, tucked between trees, we found a small chapel. No walls, just silence. It felt sacred and holy. We didn't say much there. We didn't even have to. Even the breeze felt like a gentle prayer. Along the way, we found I Heart Cafe, hot chocolate, chocolate cake, mountain air, and postcard-like views. And one big table for the whole family. The coffee vibe, और कितनी सारी बातें. The cafe became our family room in the hills. I sat by the window, surrounded by hills and soft silence. My favorite table in the mountains. On our last night, we gathered around a bonfire, sharing old stories, singing familiar songs, snacking, drinking, having fun. Sattal wasn't just a weekend. It gave us moments when we were all together. Bas hum log, one big family. Maybe the next trip will take us somewhere else, but this one, ये हमेशा याद रहेगा.